raining at my house for the third time now. Also, guys, please report Ruby King because he's gonna make a video about me, and I'm about to commentary it on. Plus, he's a bad user, and it's raining right here. He's gonna get his punishment though. So please just like Ruby's video if he makes it. And report him and block him. I'll mention him in the description. And it's raining right here. It's raining everywhere in my house. At my house. I thought my dog was in there, lol. But anyway, guys, this is all for now. Please report Ruby King. Bye, guys.